Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. How's everybody doing? Got lunch, Pop-Tart. Lunch of champions, gotta stay and watch my dry shipper. Picked it at $1.85 today. It's my beauty pick. The other shipper left the dock. Right there, bang. Doing beautiful in the shipper. What's up? Where's Remy? Hey Remy, come on in, bud. Dude, what's going on with the Rems? The Rem stones. Alan, what's up? On the tuba. That's my man. Awesome guy. Awesome down the tube. In the room. Whoo! Remmer, come here, bud. I hear him. I don't see him. Where is he? Little rocket today. Little rocket man. I don't want to play too much music because the last one got blocked. I'll be back in 10 seconds because I gotta go get the Remy. Alright, my man. I got him. He right here. And the man. Good boy you is. Sleepy. You stay sleepy, buddy. Let's look at the stocks. Let's look at the stocks. Alright. We got that one. I'm gonna move the chat above myself. If anybody wants to chat about any stocks, we can do that. And right here, I'm gonna show you what we did in the MOJO Day Trade room for today. Let me just make sure no one needs to get in. Cool, they don't. So here's the chat room. Right here. And this is dry ships. Right there. Okay? And this is Remy. Right here. Softest dog. Beautiful. Now, guys, see this? You fill her up your car with super. A supercar with regular gas. Do you have a regular car? We got a supercar. We fill her up with grade MOJO Premium Unleaded. That's what we do. Premium. Premium Unleaded. Okay, what we did today in the room. Here's the dry shipper right here. Big time money on shipper, boys. Big time. Mara's doing great. Brand new woman to the room. That's going to be her driving that. I educated my room to a lot of great things today I could show you too. Watch. We'll go through the day. And this is what it was like being in the MOJO Day Trade room. I'm in every newsletter. I've seen every room out there, folks, by the way. This is shorting a stock right here. So I came on live today. And the dangers of shorting a stock are bad. I mean, lucky the GTXI right here at 5, it's not up $2 or $5. And it doubled because there was a lot of people short from the recommendations of some of these large trading rooms and other gurus out there that use that as a main strategy. And that's not a good strategy. Not a good strategy. So, here's what happened. My sister was short, couldn't get out, lost 100,000 recently. Wow, really, Mara? I didn't even know that. That's terrible. I'm going to use that in my webinar if you don't mind. Nah, I don't need to. But yeah, I will. Because I changed your thinking around. Now, I was hard on you in the beginning, and now you understand that. Great. Yeah, you could screen share. Watch me on YouTube right now. So right now, one of the persons right here did a short. One of the notorious guys who did a short did one right here. Oh, Remy. On PBMD. With PBMD, I'm going to try to force myself to cover. Let me put you down, buddy. Go on your little thing right there. I'm going to try to force myself to cover before the close because it could attack him again tomorrow. It's his first stubborn hold in a while. He's laughing. It's $174,000, $412.28 loss. Size isn't too crazy. Luckily, not a ride he wants to be on. That's a pretty good analysis right there. That's why we don't short in the MOJO room. So right there, that was a toasty. Why'd I bring that up? Because one of the guys that I watch was short GTXI. Let me see if I have it in here. So we're in Nuro. Everybody that's watching right now, 386, the high is right here, 285, see it? 92,000 at 916. Go ahead and buy 1,000 Nuro, guys. So right here, go ahead and buy 1,000 shares. When it gets to 95, add 4,000. That's the play. Watch. This is not here on, this is the next stock. ENDP Hines, that's number, hold on a second, I gotta go back. Nuro 386. Traded 303,000. Pool we didn't do, we were watching. And I'll show you. Here comes the market open. ENDP, we're watching that. There's Nuro the ad, 922. See it? Sold 404. That's Heinz trade play 5,214. Man, I told my daughter yesterday, you keep on getting me sick. She was coughing all night. I was coughing. CAMT, guys. V-band spike on the 5-minute. Coming up okay. I don't like the pattern on the daily. It may go into a $6 sequence if it can get some mojo. It's in a no-buy zone, so keep an eye on the CAMT. Keep an eye on CAMT right here. So we're in Nuro at 4. That's Heinz trade play 5214. Right here. Done. Yes, sirree. Awesome. Damn straight. Better believe it. Yes, sir. Heinz, major, outstanding. Best trading room ever. Good morning. Hello, Andre. Great job, 419. There's the sell. And ENDP right here. We're flat. UV long. Neuro 438. Still long 2000. Added UV. Flat Neuro. Bought Neuro back 402, 405, 403, 406. Selling 410, 412, 413. Reboarding back 392. Selling now. Adding flat. Those great calls. 390 now, add, buy, 95, 97, 99, add 3,000 at 97. 200 UV, add to 1,000. Neuro 96, here it goes, sold 404. That's another trade. That's 52.15. Made a cool 100 for the clopper there. Everybody made money, 52.15. Thank you, folks. That's how it runs in the Mojo room. So that's really nice right there. And then we have scrolling down right now, 185 on dry ships. Here's my entry right here. So now you're going to have some dry shipper, guys. We traded this one right here, this Neuro. That was a $1,000 gain for you already on that stock. So that's in the bank. Now let's go for dry ships. Same thing, 86. We're going to go 90. Add into 90. We did MOSI right here for a quick trade on MOSI. And passed on Neuro again at 70 and 80. And it was the greatest pass. It's now 348. Normally in the old days I would have been in that. But I've journaled it so many times. It's taken me 3 years to get out of that conundrum. And I have. That's the purpose of a coach. Then we did a OCLR into a new high. Then we came down. Everyone's average on UV was 34, 35, 37. And then UV made that high. Mara didn't sell. I told her to journal it. Then she rebought it back on the next stopping station, made a profit. So she's really great there. Mojo buys the stops from 4. We're in right here at 374 on the last trade. And then we did Able right here at 62. Able made a huge run on Able. Then we made money there and we're flat. Then we were in this trade in the 5-minute rule, which I tell all my traders. If you want to learn that, you can definitely come. I folded on Able. Great fold. It's not just about picking stocks. It's about folding stocks as well. You know, you don't have to be... Yeah. Yes. That's right. You don't have to be right every single time. Everybody else is like, yep, so, yeah, my bad, right? Yeah, everybody's like, I made another mistake.
For the last time, no.
That's the last time they're going to do it, but they do it again. Yeah, absolutely. So then these are my screenshots. We got Neuro right here for the sell. GTXI right here. This is the problem, folks. Look at it. It's down 91 cents, but imagine if it was up 91 cents or even $2 right here at the open. The people that shorted it yesterday in the $4 range, they're pretty smoking bad. And I follow a couple of newsletters that's a half hour into the open. So we're going to go for ENDP for a Heinz now. On Pro Trader Saywin's knowledge and watching, because we saw it earlier, and we nailed it through $11. Really nice. That's Heinz number 5215 on the way to 10,000. Thank you. And here's the other newsletter. It says, look, I'm holding GTXI. Would have known if you've tuned into my live stream or followed me on Twitter. Just crashed to 536. I'm break even now. My goal is to cover in the 430s, which should take a few days. I'm streaming now live. Because the trader yesterday shorted it and threw half of his account in there. And today, he's still holding. So just imagine if it was up $5 and he put half of his account in there. This is what would have happened. Trader loses $106,000 and wants your help. He would have done a GoFundMe account because he shorted it here and it skyrocketed up and he couldn't have done one thing. His name was Joe Campbell, the trader who asked for help with a $106,000 debt due to a short bet that went wrong, has stopped requesting money on his GoFundMe page. He ended the campaign after getting $5,000 in donations. I'm taking the GoFundMe post off. It's unbelievable and will go a long way towards the debt, writes the guy on the website. It's far more ever than I thought I would get by doing it. What did he do? Here's what he did. He said he went to bed Wednesday evening with some $37,000 in his trading account, holding shares of Calabios Pharmaceuticals, just like GTXI. Here's the chart on the GT. I don't even have it up today. Here it is. Here's the chart. So here's the bar. Imagine if it went up again today. Whoever shorted it went to bed last night short like he did, because they've read this, and praying that it wouldn't open up. His bet on the stock would fall turned into the trader's worst nightmare. The shares soared after the CEO has been accused of price gouging, took a majority stake. That left Campbell in debt to E-Trade for $106,000. His account was only $37,000. Now, his plea for money drew lots of flack. What's hard to read is the bashing messages, and everyone can probably agree it's good to hear this now. The infamously unsuccessful trader will never... Also, for the record, I will not be shorting any low float stocks ever again. See, that's the message right here. You could see right here. Here's the message. I won't be shorting any low float stocks ever again. And he went to bed, and it turned into his worst nightmare, and he owed the firm $106,000 the next day. Really nice. So if anyone's telling you to short GTXI or any stock, run for the hills. You're going to be driving a Hyundai. You need to be getting the Ferrari and the supercar like MOJO does. So MOJO's long UV at 1030 right here. Mystical power of the MOJO. Here's GLBS we're watching. Never did. It was a Nitso on GLBS. Let's see whatever happened with that at 139. Same. Didn't do nothing. And then there's Mosi right there. Mosi with a big score right there. Sweet on Mosi. Then I'm hanging out with the boys. And they're still right here, actually. Oh, my boys just came in. Check it out, guys. Look. It is Major and Remy's. There. They are. My man, he's sleeping. Up there's Major, gonna go lie next to him. Look, oh, go Mage. Go Mage. Oh, nice. Go lie next to your buddy. Oh, you're a good boy. Isn't Major nice? He doesn't know where to go. He's so, can't help. Turn around, buddy. Come on, Mage, you can do it. Turn around, homie. You can get it. Nice. You got it. Nice. He did it. Yes! Mage did it, guys. He did it, everyone. Yes. Show the love for the Mage, guys. Come on now. Or you can't come back. I'm going to block you off the YouTube. You got to show me the love, all you guys on YouTube right now. Or I'm blocking you off. There's a bunch of you watching. I want to see in the chat. Or I can block you, all of you. I know who's watching. I can right-click on you. Nice. Thanks, guys. Yeah. They're the best, my boys right there. Nice. That's what it's all about. You can't do that at work in a 9-to-5er. Can't do that to work in a 9-to-5er, guys. Definitely not. No way, Jose. But with the modes, you can. Oh, Major's moving. He don't like that spot. Major don't like that spot. Moved a little bit. Nuro got pretty destroyed. May go for a bounce now. Let me see. 4.8 million. Yeah. There's about a there's a signal at 54. So there's probably a nickel above that. Puts it at 9. 8 cents on the down. 2 down. 8 to 10 up. On this, guys. 2 cent down. 8 to 10 on the up. On that right there. Signal. Get bid 50. Buy 51. Squeeze 54. Command 59 to 64. YGE Heinz $2 V-band spike on the 5-minute. Long 500 only because of the small vol. Woo, YGE. They'll push this sucker. This is infamous Mojo stock right here. Look, V-band spike on the 5-minute. I got it before any indicator. Look, first spike was right there. They started the engine. Now the guy's at the dock undoing the coil. Undoing the coil. Dry ships add back in right here, stopping station. Dry ship stopping station. Fluttering on stop. Squeeze only 209. Command 212 to 214. 2 on the down. 7 to 10 on the up. Easy on this one. Beautiful. UV off 1018 stopping station. What do we have here is a double buy. We add at stopping station 07 right here. Buy, add there, or add at 19 to 20. Command 24 to 29. Easy trading. It's like I'm sitting at 4 spots with pocket ace king, ace jack, and pocket 7s. Let's rock and roll, baby. I'll play them all without a lot of risk. If people push all in, I'll fold. If the stock's coming, I'll fold. But I could play a good hand on the upside and see a flop and really get it, like dry ships here. Forget about it. I'm doing it. Did they squeeze the big ask? Like I said, I would have gone to 100 people just now, just like I did live on the show. And I was said, dude, did that big ask right there, would you have bought it? They said no. And they would have been wrong. Again, see it right here. They would have bought it. There it is. And they would have been wrong if they wouldn't have did. They wouldn't have thought. But they did. They did. They didn't. They didn't. They didn't think. They didn't think. Did nice on Abel, man. Abel was a swing pick. Did good on Abel. Abel Rabel. So I may put this in as a nice example-only of how it works. Know what I'm saying? Let's go watch right here. Here's the example. We have this right here. I like that. That's right there. Oh, Mara, you're the greatest. One of my greatest success story students. Carol, Mara. I can make these women new lives and dollars. There's nothing like it. The men, they can do it. But when I do it for the women, it's double bonus for me, folks. Did you know that? Women out there, listen to the Moj. When I tell you, I'll take care of you extra special. The women, guys, the women get extra special. Extra, extra special. Did you know that? That's what I do for the women. Now, my question to the traders, and here's the 5-minute chart, is the following. It just made a beautiful run of amazement right there. And now it's come screaming down. And the question is, you know, there's an artist at work, so artists take a little time. Artistes take a little time, so let's do a little bit of an erase. Do. In purple. Perfect. That's what I wanted to do. Now look, see, this is the, here's the big question. You have an example like this. So you have an example like that. And then you say to yourself, what is it going to do at that point? What's it going to do? Going lower? Going back higher? And there's several factors that I incorporate into my classes of Mojo University. One two-worder that I say 1,000 times by the third level of Mojo University already indicates to me I know what's going to happen with the stock. And I don't even have to look at anything else. I know what's going to happen. Isn't that correct, folks? Mojo, did you hear that question on YouTube? I said, see the stock right here? That's on my, if you're watching on YouTube. See? Because don't say the word. Correct, Dontavius. Thank you, my friend. Nice code. See, Dontavius didn't correct Mara. Nice code. Nice. See, Mike, try. Don't give away the secrets. It's all code. Correct. Nice answer. Correct. Great job. Great job. Whew. I'm impressed. See, when the coaching and the material's really good, it's like when I went to Golf Tech and I signed up for the 6-month package. I said, dudes, 6 months? You know what I can become in 6 months? I'm going to do it in a month. So in 6 months, you see your students on the wall, you're going to have a picture of me. And they do in Golf Tech. Did with a scorecard and a tournament of a 67. Dude, I shot 67 in this tournament and I still lost by a shot. Can you believe it? I was going in on the 18th saying, dude, I shot a 67. A 67. And I didn't win that golf tournament. Can you freaking believe that? It was the round of my life. It was unbelievable. Check it out, Mark. You want to see? Look. Let me show you, dude. Dude, you ain't going to believe it, dude. I shoot a 67, and I do not win. I'm watching the last two groups that come in, because the last group is doing good. The guy beats me by a shot, dude. I can't believe it. Look. Where is it? It's unbelievable. Where's my picks? Here they are. Look at this thing, dude. Where is it? Got it right here. Oh, someone's calling and maybe at one of those calls. Hold on. Hello? Hey, Ashley, I'm awesome. I'm live on the it is a good time, but I'm live on the MOJO Day Trade show right now. And I'm streaming on 15 streams from Africa to Australia to the United States, to YouTube, to Beam, to Roku, to Vapors, to you name it. I'm live streaming on 15 streams right now. So yes, when I call you back, we'll discuss about how we can work together, and your information could be working with myself to get it out to all these people I'm working right now. And I'll send you a link to the video right now in the show, okay? Awesome, I'll call you back. See that, folks? People alive want to work with the MOJO. Let me show you this now, guys. Look, check this out. Can't believe it, man. Dooba dooba. Here it is. So look at this. I'm like, did you know, besides journaling, guys, I just want to show you some pictures. Guys, these are my journals for just a few months. Just FYI. FYI. Here's a journal notes of what journaling looks like. It says, buy down, sell, and on the way up, always be done with them. Rating system, G Pro, UVXY, risky, new traders, stay away, do quarter size if normal, stocks that are big volume, up 100 kind of stocks, 5 to 10 dots, what I want, man. Those are my notes. It's what I want to do. What I want to do right there. That's my notes from that. You want to see? I do the same thing in golf. Look, these are my golf journals right here. I keep track, 50-yard shot. I got to tilt more over the ball. Look. It says, I got to tilt more over the ball to be accurate. And then my 3-wood is perfectly smooth. A broom swing. Hit it 260 in the right down the middle. Awesome. Be aggressive with my chips. I've been leaving them short. Beautiful notes, right? Then all my scorecards, when I go to a course, I get a copy and I keep track of the scorecard, and I get a logo ball. Those are all my scorecards when I was in training doing my journals. Those are the rounds that got me from the beginning of the box to being a scratch golfer. That's how many rounds of golf it took at $50 a round. That's how much money I spent right there. And then from that, I was able to produce golf scores like this. 65 at the Ocean course, folks. Look. 65 at the Ocean course. Look at the scores. And I keep track. This round, look, let me show you what I did this round. I can go visit back at the Ocean course. Let's go do that. I'll show you that day, exactly like trading, what I did. Watch. I hit 3-wood, sand wedge, 105 yards, 15 feet from the pin, on into 2-putt. It was a shorter course, but it was at a resort. Hit 3-wood, sand wedge, 105 again, 12 feet away. Birdied the next one, sand wedge, 80. Right there, 5 feet, birdied it. Next hole, I hit a 3-iron. I hit a 190-yard 6-iron, 25 feet away, and I parred it. Next one, I hit a 3-wood with a star, broom swing, sweet, 260. Had 82 left, stuck it, par. Then the next hole, 3-wood sand wedge, 90, 2 feet away, knocked it right in. Then next hole, I hit a 5-iron long, 192, chipped it up and made the putt. 3-wood, 7-iron, sand wedge, on into 1-putt, right there on the par 5, birdie. And then a 3-wood amazing, sand wedge 110, 5 feet away, ended that round for a 65. Ended that round for a 65. Then, here's another round, right here, 69. Let's go back to this round that I played really good. I want to visit my good rounds. So let's see here. Let's go copy link. And this round, I hit nice driver. I hit an okay drive because it's a double check mark. A wedge, 120 on and 3, 1 putt for par. Then I hit an amazing drive because of the star. 5 wood on the second shot, 255 on and 2, 2 putt on and a 3. I think I on and 3, 2 putted. I hit an amazing, but I missed it, and great shot. So I'm even. Next hole, 7 iron with a star, 2 feet away, tapped it in for birdie. Beautiful, beautiful start. Next, driver with a star. That's a 300-yard drive down the middle. 50 yards away with the lob wedge. 10 feet away, I missed the putt. Shit. Driver, okay. Lob wedge, 70. On and 3, I missed the green. 2 putt. Bogey. Next hole, 9 iron, 150. On and 2, 1 putt. Missed the green. Save par. Next hole, 5 wood, awesome. 9 iron, awesome. 2 feet or 6 feet away, made the putt, birdie. Next, 7 iron again, just like that 7 iron, 165. Hit it, awesome. Par. Next hole, triple check mark. That means it's an amazing drive, not a star. Then I got a triple check mark 5 wood for a lob wedge for a 69. And that's how I could keep track of every one of my shots. And I can recall all the trades in my journal and everything. And then I took all those abilities and I took it out on the course right here. And I shot a 67, Mike Rich. See me down here? 67. This guy shot an 80, a 69, a 70, an 86, a 66. See that? He beat me by a damn shot, that group right there. This guy shot a 68, 60, 70, 69, 72. I shot 67 right there. And the last group came in right there, tied him. I lost by 1 shot. Can you freaking believe that? I'm so pissed. Could have brought home a beautiful trophy. And that's how I do it, folks. That's complete journaling for the repertoire. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Man, what a move on dry ships. Amazing. Look at that. Shipper. Phew. Shipper with a V-band spike leaving the dock. Can't believe what I made on Shipper. You want to see this guy? Want to see a block? Let's see if I can grab it from this guy's account. Show activity. Let's go type filled. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this, what this guy does. Here's an awesome trade. Let me just do a little butterfinger on it. Do a little column move so you can see it better. So this happened in, here's his trade. This happened in, whoops, sorry guys. Sorry, Rammer. Sorry, Rammer. So that happened right here. This is one of my demo guys. He bought dry ships at 96. 96, this is a market order because it's at the same time, see? So he bought it here and got filled at 96. So as soon as it threw 95, he just pressed the button. And he sold it at 207. And he had 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 shares. He made $600 on this trade. That's a good one, man. Just on one trade. Pretty good. Demo 9 and Demo 12 are doing really well. Proud of you. Really nice. Good job. Every day I spend time going through some of the trades for the people. So that's some good journaling right there, man. Good journaling right there. Anybody have any questions? Let me see if I have any questions. Yeah, and my journals are very detailed. Everybody's got to go see this movie. It's called 7 Days in Utopia. I'll give you a holler every time you lose $1. That's what I'll do. I'll give you a holler every time you lose $1. It's called 7 Days in Utopia. I think I have a picture of it. Let me see. Where is it? Seven days. Yeah. Somewhere. Let me see. Got a couple good ones. Oh, that's funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look what I just found in my folder. Alan, you want to laugh? This is funny. Look at this. Let me send this to some of my guys. You want to laugh? Check this. I just found this picture. That's a funny one. Want to see another one? A person who used to be in the room who did these made this for me. How funny is that, dude? Look at this one. You look at this one, dude. Look at this one. Dispatch. I got one. Dispatch. How funny is that one, dude? Funny, right? I'll show you, Gerard. I'll look. That's one. Isn't that funny, bro? Here's another one. Anybody want to see in the private message? Ant? There's one. Here's the other one. Someone made these for me. Isn't that hysterical? You're laughing your ass off. Isn't that nice? Priceless, right? Yeah. Mara, you want to see it? That's funny. There you go. Is that funny, Mara, or what? Here's the other one. Isn't that funny? That's funny. They like that. Isn't that funny, Mara? Both of them? Nice, right? Funny, funny, funny. Here it's guys, I'm Flash. Look. That's all it is. Look, I'm Flash. It's not that hysterical. The ones I sent you are, yeah. You want to see a nice one? Here's a nice picture. Look. Guys, watch. This is me when I go in the countryside. Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers formidable. Procures success to the weak and esteem to all, as I jollop down the countryside on my horse. That's what I do. Or I can be I can be my 215,000 stats, batting .920, 820 home runs, 1,400 stolen bases, my Golden Glove Award, World Series MVP. That's me. Or you may have seen me in the World Series of Poker when I won the World Series of, you may have seen me there when I won the World Series. I don't know that. You may have. Or you may have seen me doing my stand-up comedy when I'm in the night show and I'm with Gonzo doing my puppeteering with Gonzo and my puppet. You may have seen that as well. Absolutely. We may go visit that sometime also. Absolutely, folks. That's a pretty nice attribute right there. I can do little ventriloquisms. Little quisms and the ventriloquisms. Come on now, dry shipper. Shipper, 212 commanding. Here we go. MOJO. Making money in the afternoon session. Look. So here's a perfect example of some journaling, some UV. So UV right here. Can you believe, it's not you, can you believe the shipper right here with this? Now, when I went to all these people and I said to them, which way is that sucker gonna go? Every single person got it wrong. They all got it wrong. They all got it wrong. Again, how long did it take to get it wrong? Oh, just a minute. That sucks when you're wrong in just a minute. Sucks when you're wrong in just a minute. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Oh, yeah. Where'd Remy go? Remy's gone. Just Major's there. See you, Maj. Ooh, professional custom logo concepts. Last night she cried. Here we go. I'm not afraid. Oh, action came into the room. Who's this? Action Man. Hey, yo, action. Who are you? Mr. Action 1055. Have I ever messaged you before? Nope. Hey, yo, hello. Oh, can't message because she's not on my server. Guys, look at you. What are you doing, Mr. Action? You're hurting Trader Valentina, who's new to the room, and Vic. McTrade, you're bothering everybody, dude. I bet when you go to any other room, they don't say hello when you come in. The moderator, immediately as soon as you come in, I bet you he doesn't. How do I know? Because I've been in all of them. And they don't give a shit about you. They just give a shit about getting him themselves. Let me show you the stock this morning. What was it called? Oh, yeah. Able. And yesterday we traded it. But this other group traded it with 5,000 subscribers and they claim to have made a fortune. A fortune for their subscribers. Let's do some math. Did this one in the MOJO room before. Nice. Oh, yeah, there they are. There they are. Oh, introducing the new iPad. There it is, see? Right here. So here they are. So right here, let's do some math. Do some math. If you wouldn't mind. Here's what happens. This is why MOJO. Doesn't matter about my picks. This is why I'm better. Let me show you. See this drawing? This is a room and a subber guy with 5,000 subs. right here. 5,000. So he's got 5,000 subs. Let's do some math. What is the stock? SPI in the 5-minute? All right. Let's go to that stock. Today, this is what they made money on. SPI, let me show you. This is a room with 5,000 subscribers and a newsletter. They have 5 newsletters and they just commandeer. It's traded 1.8 million today. A lot of hurting souls in the stock right now. And let me show you. So right here, the moderator plus his 4 other goonies equals 5 of them that need to get paid every single day at the cost of their subscribers. So here's what they did. They came in and they bought the shares here. And those shares equaled 300,000. Right there. Here and here. So the moderators are in. And the stock is only $1. And there was 5,000 subscribers. So if you take 5,000 subscribers at $1 stock, and they all buy 10,000 shares, that's buying and selling. So it's 20,000 per subscriber. And let's say 1,000 of the subscribers do it. Times 20,000 shares. Do your math. Go ahead, folks. Take your calculator and go 20,000 times 1,000. That's how much volume it needs to trade today in order for this trade to be successful. It's 20 million shares. So they're in here, the mods. They're buying. Now they come out with the pick for the room. Here, and they buy into here. And this is the room and the subscribers. These are the subs. And the subs come in with 300 to 500,000 shares in this bar. And they take the mod out for a profit. And he sent out his newsletter saying he sold right into this bar right here. This liquidity is dead and nothing. The stock's traded 1.8 million shares. So that means all of the subscribers but the moderator made money on that trade. And this is the difference between those services and Mojo. I don't do that because I don't need to. My picks are really good. The picks make the subscribers money. Not this is called front running. It's called a front run. And that's exactly what happened. And it's a famous newsletter that has 5,000 subs. Taking advantage of a stock that was in play the other day that would get everyone excited to buy 10,000 shares. So they know exactly what they're doing. And it's just a shame. So anybody who watches this can come to MOJODayTrading.com. If you're in SPI and you're bag holding, you know why. Doesn't have anything to do with anything else. There it is. There it is. Sign up for my free webinar, guys. My niche trade play. Action left the room. See that? The guy in the... No, there he is. He came in and he came back out. Hi. He doesn't have a lot of action. You don't have a lot of action. All right. Here's my PCYO holding up like a rock. Doing nice, 31,000 shares. Ready to go to the next level now through this 850. See that beautiful move? Look at the weekly. Amazing, huh? Got a winner right there. Winner, winner, winner. J-Nug's ripping. We were going to get this one this morning. APTO, guys, is moving. $1.40 on a V-band spike right now on the 1 and 5 minute. 783 with a 191. Should not get filled. That could be an NITBB. He's pretty close. I don't think he can get filled, though. So we got a very little downside. 135. There's probably a nickel a down. I don't know what it can run. Let's see what the float is on APTO. Float right here is on 19.634 million. Pretty snazzy. He can get filled at 135. It's not monster volume, but it's doing something. Doing something. Go back to that one. APTO. Where is it? $1.39. Let's look at the daily. It's up too much on the daily. Could make another little bit of a move though. Not fluttering volume. This guy's short. That's why it's up like that. Keeps on bidding it up. Saying, damn, man, don't go higher, don't go higher. Remember, you guys used to be in that phase. Watch when it goes to 39 penny pinch. Forget about it. He's going to come off that 91 right there, and he's going to buy the ask. That's what you would do. Can't get filled at 135. What's happening? Pretty nice. Good day today, guys. Let me see what the demo's doing. Beautiful. Demo's got UV right there. Only down $2. Oh, no, you're down at 137. You own it at 1021. No problem. And the other guy owns it at 1022. No problem at all. Good job, guys. Ride it to sell half 1024, half 1029. Beautiful. You're right there. Nice job on the. We're going to play that GTX like ENDP, guys. See it? See this? We wait for a couple of those. We nail that back up there like that. Patience, couple days. What we do. Nice. All right, guys. Good job today. Oh, look, there's Mara. Mara Financial Group. Mara knows what the hell she's doing. She's an author. Great movie. See, she watched it. She's an author. Mara. I'm in love. Mara, the success story. Love it. NVCN's moving a little bit. My swinger. Let me check it out, buddy. Thank you for the alert. $1.54 on 28,000 with a signal at 65. Keep it chilly. Not yet. If that was 280,000, yeah, but not yet, homie. Good eye though. Pro Trader Mar. Everyone, Mojo University tonight. Check it out. You ain't gonna believe this. I'm gonna do swing and a little bit of my trade pays. That's it, because I have a new updated Mojo U coming. That's gonna be blown away. So tonight I'm gonna go over the swing. Day trades like over. I'm getting ready for the next class. I'm ready for the next class, which is Tuesday. Class number 1, level number 1. with the new material. New updated material. New updated Mojo U. It's the most unbelievable. I've worked so hard. Oh my gosh. You think the things I've done in the past, oh my god, good? Oh my. Whoo-wee! Holy, there's nothing like it in the world, folks. Nothing like it in the world. Better believe it. Ain't nothing like it in the world. Mamacita. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. Anybody got any stocks they want to do? Watt's getting closer to 16. Heinzer, but it's only got 96 Dow. This is an extraordinary kind of stock that moves. Look what's going to be in play tomorrow, guys. Happy. Look at LABD on the daily. Tomorrow we're going to ride it back to 11. LABD tomorrow, guys. Yoo-hoo! Get ready. Tomorrow we're riding on the LABD highway when it goes back up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And what does it do on the way back up? Let's see. 1 + 1 + 1. It goes ho! $1. Ho! 70. Ho! 70. Ho! 70. Ho! 70. Ho! 60. Ho! 70. Ho! 70. Guess what it's going to do tomorrow? It's going to go up. What's it going to go up tomorrow? Look, this guy left the room. Don't ever come back, action. See this? Banned. I'm laying the hammer down on you, dude. Don't ever come back. Thank you. Holmes, what is it going to do? 70, Mara, correct. Mara, what happens when it's up $1.50? What do we do? Hands in your favor. What do? Play it or fold it. Play it or fold it. What is it going to do? You know. It's up $1.50. What are you going to do? Play it or fold it. It's going to move 70. It's up $1.50. What's the answer? Exactly. Now tomorrow we come in and it's up 15. It's up 20 cents. It's up 20 cents tomorrow at 9.70. Up 20 cents. Now what is it going to do? Where's it going to go? What's the final sale for you? I know. 10.29. Am I right? Exactly. You better believe it. Better believe it. It's at 9.50, up 20 cents at 70. It's got 50 cents to go. Puts it up at 9.20, 9.30. Selling there. 29. Thank you. No, 29. Interesting. Do it, big man. Do a squeeze of 98. And it will, Heinz. When you do a squeeze of lemon juice, it's on the stand now. The lemon's on the stand. Lemon's on the stand. It looks pretty good. Lemony. Looks lemony. Like the lemon pepper shrimp I had the other night. Looks a little lemony, homie. I'm not going to show it to you. Kidding me? Blocking it right now on YouTube. You can't see it. Look, there's it is. Want to see it? No. Want to see it? No. You're not making the play. Come in my room. All you people watching on Beam and Twitch right now. Come on, you. Come on now. You want this pic? There it is. Hey, look. You want this one? Here you go. Come on in the room, man. You want this pick? I'll show you how it's going to do it tomorrow. Come to my web. Short it. Go ahead. Short it at 95. Right there. 250 shares. Someone just did. You kidding me? Come to my webinar tomorrow. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 p.m. tomorrow. I will razzle, dazzle, schnazzle you. You think what I'm telling you today is good? Forget about it. Forget about it. Don't come back to my room, Mr. Action Pack. Private room. Major zonked. You want to see what that stock is doing? Nope. Can't do it. I ain't showing it to you. It's, see there here, 498. How do you know it's not 508 right now? 510. 550. It's flying. Alan made the sickest pick. Oh, it's halted trading. Ho! Halted, baby. Like that? Like that, right?
Yeah, baby.
Mara. Get him, Klopp. Yeah. Ooh, Klopp, your voice changed. Oh, a call's coming in. Good, this may be one of them calls. Hello? Yes, hello. Yeah, this is, hello, yes, this is Mr. Michael.
Yes, hi, this is Reed, and I'm calling you from iWebNext in regards to the domain that you have both by the name of jasonbondbig.net.
What is the domain?
The domain name is jasonbondbig.
What? Hold on a second. What was that? Yeah, what about that domain? Why, you want to buy it for $50,000? Yeah. Nice, that's a good domain I got, right? It's a popular domain. Yep, it's going to be a premium domain. Really? I could sell it as a premium domain. Yeah, how much can I sell it for? I want to sell it to the guy who's trying to contact you for it. And I'll sell it for $25,000, maybe $50,000. I'll have a bidding thing. What's it worth? All right, let me know. Thank you, dudes. They want to buy. I could sell that thing for 50 grand, dude. See? There you go. That didn't take long. They're calling me from like iWeb and all these. See, dude, they want my domain and shit. What's your plans with the domain? And oh my, yeah, and there's a lot of interest in that. See? Can you believe that? All my competitors, I have your domains. Silly that you didn't register .net. They're all going out right now and going on GoDaddy right now and doing the .nets. How funny is that right now? I'll go on and buy another one today. Let me see if this guy has one. This guy would be, tell me he don't have a .nets available. Yep, I'm adding it to my cart. You stupid son of a bitch. Stupid son of a bitch. Can you believe it? I just got that another one of my competitors' domain names. I can't freaking believe it. I just got a freaking another popular guy's name. I'm Fathom. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do 2 today. Oh my freaking God. I can't believe I got both of them. What the freak is going on? Yep, I can't fucking believe it. I'm buying them both fucking right now. I can't believe I'm buying both of these right now. I'm blown out of my mind. I'm blown away. I just bought another 2 major competitors' domain names. I'm blown away. I got them before they did. I can't believe it. Proceed to checkout. Amazing. I'm like, my fingers are nervous to buy it right now, to get it in my cart and buy it before everyone, if they're watching this, I don't think they're going to watch it now, but if they did, I can't believe I just got these 2 domains. Can't believe it. That's it, it's done. 2 of them. Done, place the order. Yes! Can't believe that. Everyone, you know, they don't fuck around. That's it, I got them. Done. Sick. Still the same price on CLNT. Nice. Woke up the beast. Did you guys get that email yesterday with the security alert? One of the competitors, they got busted into and stuff. Don't say no names, but I got an email. One of the competitors got busted into his shit. And he's going to the FBI. Did you read that? Karma, bitch. Right? Finally, right? Karma, bitch. That's what you get, homie. Business in jeopardy right now. Boomerang back in his face. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I get an email, security violations, going to some FBI. I'm like, okay, cool, dude. There you go. Fucking karma. You rip people off, steal from them, you get it right back in your face. You do a clean, good business and nothing happens. Beautiful. A lot of people registering for my webinar tomorrow. I have a lot of people watching on different channels online. Hi everybody, this is Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. This is my website, mojodaytrading.com. Thank you for showing up here. We present my great webinar tomorrow at 1 p.m. Wednesday, June 14th. My weird niche trade play that's currently making $250,000 per year and how to ethically do that in 60 minutes per day. Learn the niche trade play setup that has 95% accuracy, back tested over 1,000 trade. It's real deal. It's ethical, and yes, you could make $1,000 a day, $20,000 a month, and times 10 months only of the year, because you're going to take 2 months of vacation, $250,000 supplemented or additional or full-time income per year from using the system. Learn how to do that. But folks, in order to go into the casino and play at the table, you need some chips. You can't go in for free. In order to trade in the stock market, you need to have a real deal money account. and come in with some cash. So if you do have that and you're interested, I'll show you how to get started. Click register my spot right now. You'll go to this page and you'll get registered for Wednesday, tomorrow at 1 p.m. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. And what I'm going to do is click register or click go up top. That's it. On the website, register below or go up top. I see you tomorrow at the webinar. Keep it profitable and have a nice rest. It's a note-taking webinar for sure. Here we go, baby. They're thinning it out. Signal at 17. We're going to get a blast. And Gerardo's going to say, oh, we are blast. Why in the world? Tell me right now, all my pro traders, journal that right now, why that happened. Journal why in the world all of a sudden that happened, and then in a half hour, journal again the result, and you will have figured out an anomaly. Folks, you can tell me what happened. One person. Who can tell me what happened? Look. Careful. Two things happen. Get one of them right. What do you think it is, guys? What do you think it is? Ask later in class, I can tell you. It's too obvious right now. I ain't gonna tell you now live. I'll tell you later. Dynatronics. Dynatronics, D-Y-N-T, one of my old-time favorites. Look, $3 Heinz with a 10-cent spread with a V-band spike on the 5. Something's gonna happen to this in the future right here. See how it's spiked here? We gotta keep an eye on Dynatronics. D-Y-N-T. See it? Not buying it now, but something's going on with Dynatronics. Very small float. DYNT. Right here, 2.86 million in the float. Teeny tiny. Mojo got a little tiny Ken Slim winner. And they're putting volume in it. News on DYNT. Division awarded Dynatronics. Huffman Industries have been awarded the Sharp certification. Nice. This may be the V-band spike start. Nice. Whew, what a day. What a day. Dude, can you believe the web called me to get my domains and I just got 2 more of them? I gotta forward them over to myself now. I think it only takes about a minute to populate. My domains, my new domains. Can't believe it. Manage my domain. Hey, it's perfectly fine. I can do that. I can definitely use that. I got 5 of my competitors' sites. I just can't believe it. MOJODayTrading.com. Amazing. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed your day of trading. Keep it profitable. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks again, and enjoy it, everybody. Thank you. See you later.